What's going on there, guys? Shen from Damside. Now we're gonna play Minecraft PA. And I'm showing you the new update of ToolBox. That's a map. You can see where the mobs they are. South, north, west, east. That's awesome. And I'll show you something that's awesome. Okay, and this is the update, launcher options. And last time that I installed this, only texture pack can import. Now there's mod PEs. That's awesome, right? You can import mods and texture packs. General. Oh, is that a little bit laggy? What just happened? Why I get this black screen? Oh no. What happened? Okay. There. You can see where are they there. Oh, this map is so true. And this, oh, there. They're just game speed. How speed they are. They're so fast. Okay. Game speed there. Okay, time and time. Stop time. Disable black seeking level. Weather potion effects and more. And these are all the blacks. You can import mods that you can see them a lot there. Just like that, guys. Just install it on Play Store. Now, I'll show you what is it. Okay, now here is ToolBox for MC Mr. Arm. Here, just installed it like that, guys. Okay, guys, and this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this new video and click that like button and subscribe. Goodbye, guys.